reckon that?
The ocean! Oh yeah!
Well, g'day folks, welcome back to another adventure. We're starting the trip off today up on the mighty Murray River. As you can see, she is full at the moment. That's contributed from a really good winter season up in the higher country, all that snow melt and some really heavy rain over the last couple of months. So we're going to follow this all the way upstream to Lake Hume, make our way through the Alpine National Park to a place called Lake Dartmouth, find a spot on the lake, and then the next day we'll make our way through the Alpine National Park to the Snowy River, which is also in flood at the moment, to McKillops Bridge. And then from there, we'll finish the trip right down on the beach to one of my favorite spots, Ben River, which is just an epic location. And it's gonna be a really good 3 days, good weather. So stick around, hope you enjoy.
On the left of me, you'll see that's the flood wall. It's protecting these farms, so if it gets any higher than what it is, it'll give them a little bit of protection. It is real slip. Oh yeah. Hey mate. Tell you what, there's a lot of gates. Hopefully, we're going to get to the top of that. It's called Powerline Track. So this is quite easy, so don't mind us. Just give us a sec. A lot of cows and a lot of gates. Obviously gazetted roads, so you can ride through the farms. Just obviously mindful of the livestock in there. Try not to spook them out. So go through pretty slowly and all good. Hopefully the last gate. There we go, just snapped my side stand. I'm really good at breaking stands. That's going to make a nice sound. We'll maybe zip tie that up. There she is there. Busted. Yep. Is that a landslide? To get through it. Oh shit. No. Oh god. There. Bloody landslide here. That's annoying, but it's just too deep. I'll get bogged in that and then look at this stuff. Bummer. Alright, we're turning around. Back through all those gates. with a broken side stand. How joyous. How joyous. It seems to be a ongoing trend, cows on my trips. That track that I was going to come down, well, I was supposed to come down, supposed to link back up to this main circuit road here, Victoriahighcountry Road. But this has definitely been graded recently. Had it probably over summer. Good access for the fire trucks, fire vehicles coming in and out. Because this Corryong section here, I'm sure we'll go through parts where it got burnt, but this got a real good touch up a few years back, and this track being in such good condition is probably a result of that, bringing the heavy equipment up, fight fires. Obviously we had the landslide down in the valley, so we couldn't get up, so what we've done, we've gone out and around and come up this one here. So we're going to follow Gibb Range Road, and there you go, there's the fringe of the fire. Right, so that takes you down to Lake Dartmouth. Unfortunately, she's shut. Real shame. Alright, well, it's getting late, so we need to find ourselves a camp spot. So we'll keep hooking along this Gibbs Road, trying to keep the theme of the trip camping near water. So, Dry Creek, I think is up here. Dart River. We'll have a go at that. Dart River, she's beautiful too, look at that, nice and clean. Might have a couple of gulps of that, might even have a wash. First things first, we're drinking that. Oh yeah, that's clear. Woo. Oh, look at this nice little surprise. Perfectly cut. I hope that's dry. Ooh, might be a little wet. Anyway, someone's getting some good karma. Thank you for that. We'll use that existing fire scar over there. Might put the tent over there. Might get this fire going, just see where this smoke goes. Then we'll work out where we're going to put the tent. And then we're going to kick back and relax. She's cooling down real quick. When I pulled up on the bike it was about sort of 10 degrees. It's already dropped down to 8.5. So we're at about 890 meters, which is good altitude. It's going to be a cold, cold night. There is absolutely no clouds in the sky and there's no wind. So that means there's no thermal layer from the clouds. So open skies in the high country generally means it's going to be a frost. So we'll see how cold it gets down to. Whew, good day. Yeah, cheers. Hope you enjoy the video. Got the fire nice and toasty, and it's time for dinner. So what I've got on the menu tonight is spaghetti bolognese. Just found a bolognese sauce in one of these satchels, tortellini pasta, and then I've made some beef jerky. And I'm going to cut that up, rehydrate it, add that to it, and a bit of Parmesan cheese, and that is dinner for tonight. Nice and light, super easy. There's the
jerky rehydrating. Get that water boiling. Rehydrating nicely. And we'll add the sauce to that. And no more booze. It's already 2 degrees. It's be a good test tonight actually. Like, camped in some pretty cold conditions, but like with that tent, being a summer tent, don't like these cold nights because it just vents so well. So it'd be interesting. Definitely going to give the winter bag a run. Little bits of beef jerky. It's really a great way to add meat if you really need it. Obviously travels for days, and just rehydrate it. Oh wow, that's so good. It's just like having steak in it. And that's dinner. Tortellini, bolognese sauce, dehydrated beef jerky. Are we be full tonight?
There's already ice. Look at that. It's starting to fall on the helmet. 8:38. And yeah, everything's starting to freeze already.
Got the thermal insulated thermarest, which will help. This is my sleep setup. Got my reactor Cedar Summit Extreme in inside my Mount Design winter sleeping bag, so this should hopefully do the trick. We might wear a few clothes and wear a beanie. It's a tiny pump, which is really good. It's got a heap of power. Pumps up the thermarest really quick. I like this pillow. It's got this strap on the bottom. Straps onto the bottom of your sleeping mat, and so it doesn't move around in the night. It's really handy. Sleeping bag, do your thing. Sleeping bag, do your thing. It's going to keep tonight. Look at a hot tip. When there's a frost like this at altitude, you can get it really cold. Like, you can get down to like -5. So you got to be really careful. So that's why I'm sort of making sure I'm putting extra layers on. So I've got this thermal insulator liner. That's Cedar Summit. That's going to go inside the sleeping bag. And then I'll wear some layers. Don't want to wear too much, because then obviously my body heat is what's reacting with the down, and that's what's going to keep me warm. Feed in my Klim jacket in my sleeping bag, and then I've just put my wind stopper over the top, and yeah, rugged up. Got the beanie on, neck scarf on. We're yeah, ready to go. See you in the morning. Yep, got down to -3 in here. It's currently just sitting on -0, and it wasn't too bad actually. I filled that with a little bit of water. That's frozen. Let's see how cold this bike is. Well, there you go. And my spoon is now a part of that pot. There we go. I think you get the hint. So I like to keep a couple of little firelighters in this little kit I've made. And I just make the firelighters at home. Super simple. It's just a cotton bud with some petroleum jelly, Vaseline wrapped around. They're just dipped in candle wax, and they light up, and they last about 10 minutes, which is good. signed up for. Seeing me wash myself on the jocks.